How to collect emails with TIDIO. So first, go to your dashboard. Next is just click on the settings here at the bottom left corner. From here, you just need to click on live chat and then appearance under channels. Okay. Now here, scroll down, look for content, and then just click on pre-chat survey here. Now from here, you just need to click on, toggle this on, this display option here. You just need to toggle this on. Okay. As you can see here, this display here. Now you can customize this message here if you want. So from here, under the or beside the survey fields, you just need to add this one, the email. If you don't have it, just click on add new, then click on email. Now, so if you add this email option here, so whenever someone tries to chat, use the chat bot. So let's say I'm going to enter a message here, so I'll just say hi. So whenever they want to use your chat bot or your chat, they need to enter their email first, and they can have the option to sign up for your newsletter if you want, and then just click on send, and from there you can collect emails. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.